Welcome back to the channel, and today we are gonna reacting to One OK Rock. They just released a song called Puppets Can't Control You. Okay, interesting title. Okay, they just released it like 14 hours ago. So we are gonna react to it. Okay, before we start the video, okay, if you are new to the channel, subscribe the channel, and if you like the video, then like the video. Okay, and let's just get on the full screen and let's get into it. Let's go. Okay.
Beat me, break me down, but I'm still standing. Picking pieces off the ground again. If one day I fall, just hope I stick the
His
landing.
vocals are
Not
always
another
so
day
good.
screaming to let me, but I don't know where to start.
Oh,
Damn if I do. It's way too late to fix it. I'll be damned if I don't. Rain on my existence. Damn, can't you get a try?
every time I hear them, I can't complain about his vocals. His vocals are always perfect. Okay, he know how to do it.
Even if you never win, you can pretend you'll never be happy again.
Oh,
Clip his wings, he don't deserve that halo. I'm losing faith in
the beat is so
everyone
different.
again. If the TV stations show their lies on cable,
Ugh.
then we're so blind that we'll be tuning. But I don't know where to start. Damned if I do. It's way too late to fix it. I'll be damned.
Bro, this is so good. Okay, this is so good. Like I tell you, okay, I kid you not, that this beat is so good. Like from where they start, okay, where they start with his vocals, and then when they added that like a little electric, okay, not fully electric guitar, but like a tune. When they added that fast tune, then they cut it, then added that fast tune. It's like a pattern. Okay, that was sounding so good, and then they again cut it. I don't know if they're gonna add in the further of the song, but that was sounding so good. That was sounding like experimental.
It's way too late to fix it. I'll be damned if I don't. Rain on my existence. Damn, can't you get a try? Even if you never win, you can pretend you'll never be happy. Holding on to nothing till it turns into something.
Uh,
Don't like who I'm becoming. I can't keep
I'm getting
running,
goosebumps. Okay.
searching for an answer,
Uh,
rereading every chapter. There's no happy ever after when it's over.
After a long time, okay, bro. I hate this when this happens. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, I have to adjust this. Uh, okay. Is it okay? Yep. No, let's go. Ah,
Damned if I do. It's way too late to fix it. I'll be damned if I don't. Rain on my existence. Damn, can't you get a try? Even if you never win, you can
it was
pretend
so
you'll
hard.
never be happy again.
That electric guitar. Okay, the electric guitar is killing it right now. Oh, Oh, what the? I just what? I just listened to. Okay, I like this song more. Okay, the last song, Dystopia. I like this one more than that. Okay, I like this one more than that Dystopia. Okay, this goes so hard. This goes so fucking hard. Okay, this is what One Ok Rock to me that when I first listened them. Okay, when I first starting to listen them, when I first starting to react to them. Okay. Oh shit. This was so good. This was so energetic. Okay. I was expecting, but I like the song. Okay, I like their last song, Dystopia, but it elevates more than Dystopia. Okay, I like this one way, way more than Dystopia. Okay, this has what I love about them. This has his vocals. Okay, his vocals are always perfect. He knows how to hit it. Okay, you know what I'm saying. He knows. Okay, and the way they did with instrumental, okay, the instrumental is so different. Okay, it's not, I'm telling you. Okay, I recently started reacting to like more like old rock songs. Okay, old rock and metal songs, and I get that feeling when I heard like that, um when I heard that experimental sound in it. Okay, when the old electric band, when old rock and metal bands are doing experimental with that. Okay, like I just reacted to Led Zeppelin. Okay, that type of band. Okay, I get that feeling that they are starting to experiment more. Okay, and that's why I like this one much, much more. Okay, I don't know what to say. Okay, so let's just wrap this reaction right here. Okay, I love this one. So let's just wrap this reaction right here. Okay, so that's it for the reaction. Okay, that's it for the video. And if you are new to the channel, subscribe the channel. And if you like the video, then like the video. Okay, we are on the road of 10K subscribers, so please subscribe the channel to support the channel. Okay, and see you in the next one. Sayonara.